Yeah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Hendra. It's it's nice to meet you. What's your name?
Waalaikumsalam. My name is Baryadi. Nice to meet you too. How are you?
Yeah. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. So I have been thinking a lot about language recently, especially about the role of English in Indonesia. Have you noticed any change in how people are use English or of other foreign language here?
Oh, definitely. English is become so much more prominent in Indonesia over the last few years. When I was growing up, English wasn't as widespread, but now it seems like everyone is learning it. Many schools teach it from an early age, and it's even a requirement in universities. People are aware that knowing English opens up job opportunities, especially in multinational companies.
That's interesting. So you think English is become essential for career growth here in Indonesia?
Yes, absolutely. A lot of jobs in Indonesia now require good English skills, especially in field like business, technology, and tourism. Also, a lot of international companies are operating here. So English is necessary for communication. It's no longer just an option. It's a skill that people need to stay competitive in the job market.
I see. And what about other foreign language? Have you noticed and growth in the interest for language like Mandarin or Japanese?
Yes, indeed. Mandarin has become especially popular because of the growing economic influence of China. China. A lot of schools offer Mandarin course, and businesses in Indonesia are increasingly looking for employees who can speak it. Japanese is also quite popular, particularly among younger people who are interested in Japanese culture, anime, and technology. These two languages are definitely in the rise alongside English.
Oh, so people are really embracing more foreign language. But do you think this make of affect the use of bahasa Indonesia? Is there a risk of it being overshadowed?
That's a good question. There's a concern that the rise of foreign language, especially English, might lead to a decline in the use of bahasa Indonesia, especially among the younger generation. In the some case, people mix bahasa Indonesia with English in daily conversation, which might make the language less pure. However, I believe that long as we continue the value and teach bahasa Indonesia in schools, it will remain a central part of our culture.
I agree. It's important to keep a balance between learning foreign language and preserving our native language. We don't want to lose our identity, but at the same time, to know other language can help us connect with the world.
Exactly. Learning foreign language can help us communicate with people from different countries, and it can also open doors to the international opportunities. But we should never forget that bahasa Indonesia is a vital part of our heritage and culture. It's about finding the right balance.
That's true. It seems like the key is learning forex language without neglecting or on. So, what do you think the future hold for language education in Indonesia?
I think the future of language education in Indonesia will focus on multilingualism. More people will be encouraged to learn not just English, but also the other language, especially those that are important in business and culture. We'll likely see more schools offering a wider variety of language programs. But I also hope that the government continues to support the promotion of Bahasa Indonesia as well.
Yes, I really hope so too. It's exciting to think about how language education will evolve in the coming years. Thanks for sharing your thoughts, Mr. Baryadi. It was really interesting to hear your perspective.
No problem, Mr. Hendra. It was a pleasure discussing it with you. I think this is an important topic that more people should think about, especially as the world becomes more connected. See you.
See you. The rule of forex language in Indonesia contents contact content one introduction to the rule of English in Indonesia. Three, the rest of other forex language. Four, impact on bahasa Indonesia in five, future of language education in Indonesia. One, introduction, conversational startup, initial greeting, introduction of about participant, friendly icebreaker to set the tone. Two, the rule of English in Indonesia, importance in education and job market, introduction emphasis on English. English become more permanent in education and the job market. School and university teach English from an early age. Profession in English is essential for working in multinational companies. English as a crucial skill for professional success. Field requiring English skill. English requiring in business, technology, and tourism sector. Next, necessary for communication in international companies. Critical to staying competitive in the job market. Three, the risk of other foreign language. Popularity of Mandarin and Japanese. Influence of economic and cultural factor. Mandarin popularity grow due to China economic influence. Japanese popular among younger people interested in anime and technology. School and business increase focus on Mandarin and Japanese education. Relevance to modern industry and global relation. Enhance career opportunities. The knowledge of Mandarin and Japanese open door in relevant industry increased demand for language skill linked to global economic trend for impact on bahasa Indonesia concurs about language purity Mixing of language. Younger generation mix bahasa Indonesia with English. Risk of dealing in the purity of bahasa Indonesia. Balancing forex and native language. Preserving cultural identity. Importance of maintaining bahasa Indonesia to retain cultural identity. Need for balance between adopting foreign language and respecting the national language. 5. Future of language and education in Indonesia. Encouraging multilingualism. Expanded language program. Expansion of more diverse language education program in school. Focus on multilingualism, including English, Mandarin, Japanese, and other languages. Government support for Bahasa Indonesia, ensuring vitality of national language. Government promotion of Bahasa Indonesia, continuous effort to keep Bahasa Indonesia as a central part of the culture. Hopes for language education evolution, connecting with the global communication, multi multilingual education as a mean to international opportunities, the role of language skill in global communication and competitive fitness. Thanks. See.